LFWD stock analysis and LFWD stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So just looking at LFWD, the only thing that I'm really like observing is that from higher time frame chart, always like what I always do is just zoom out and look at the broader picture, because how the heck else would you have clarity, right? So with this in mind, the most likely thing for me is just that this is gonna might as well continue to come down. I mean, after the price didn't give me the rules here and I saw no double breaks, you know, I just lost hope and I abandoned the ticker. I never looked at it again. And with what I have, and this is from experience because I've done 36,000 videos, you know, the only thing that will matter to me is maybe like a short sell if there's a double break. If not, I'm just not even going to be touching this thing. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple way consistently, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter, free sauce, and I'll see you in the next one.